Exercises 1B and 3, page 15.
Hi, Emily. Are you busy this weekend?
Not really. Why?
Do you fancy going to an amusement park with me on Saturday afternoon?
I don't think so. I don't really like roller coasters and things like that.
Oh, how about going to the cinema on Saturday night then?
Actually, I'd rather not. Why don't we go bowling instead?
Yes, that's a good idea. I'd like that. What time is good for you? 6:30?
Let's meet at 7 p.m. at the bowling alley.
Great. See you there.